Hello, welcome to the VRC. I'm in, not the middle of nowhere, but I've come a bit further away to do a speed test. So right down there, we've got the Engwe EP-2 Pro 750 watt folding fat tyre e-bike. Very nice bike. And we're going to test that with throttle only, see how fast we can go down this pretty flat road. And then I'm going to come back and do exactly the same thing again with its big brother, the Engine Pro, also from Engwe. Also, apparently, 750 watts to see what the difference is. More on that later. I'll also, after I've done those little tests, see if I can actually pedal it to go faster than that. So let's just get straight into it then, and off we go. Got a speedometer on. Hope you can hear me. I'm inside the helmet. Well, someone's inside the helmet. It's not me. Someone else is driving. I'm just doing a voiceover. And I do hope that this road is as flat as I think it is. Let's go. Throttle only. Speed 5. There is a car coming. Hopefully they can get around me. Right, 15, 17. We're trying to avoid all the potholes. 18, 19, 20. Car coming. Going around me. 23. 24. 24.1. Now the road's actually dipping a bit here. It's going down and it's coming up again. 26, 27. Whoa. Level here, 25. Right. Whee. Up onto the curb. Right, it reckons 28 miles an hour. So now I'm going to get the other one. But let's see if we can do a bit better than that by actually pedaling. I don't think we'll be able to. Because when you get to about 22 miles an hour on the EP-2 Pro, you can no longer help. Like right now, I cannot help at all. There's only 7 gears. And the ratio is not the best. Car coming. Oh, I can smell chicken. Oh yeah, there's a chicken factory by me. Come on, can I help? Of course, you're not allowed to pedal furiously. It's against the rules. It's a good job that it's not me. I'm actually helping now. So you can do it as long as you pedal furiously. Right, I've just got back after the first run. Maximum speed 29. So I must have got to 29 when I was helping to pedal, and I realised if you pedal furiously, or rather the rider realised, you get a bit of extra speed. So 29, not bad. No particular big downhills. It was pretty much flat. So now we're going to take the Engine Pro. There's a guy over there on a proper bike. Not an e-bike, just a normal bike. I'm in normal at the moment. I'm not really trying. 22 miles an hour. He's not pulling away. I'm not overtaking him. So just push it into sport. See if it makes any difference. I'm going up a hill. He'll probably pass me down the hill. Engine Pro from Engwe. Speed test. Driven not by me, but also in America. Throttle only, sport mode. Wait for this car to go past. And let's go. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22. Potholes, watch out for those. Mirror's not working very well. 25, 26, 27, I'm about 100 kilograms. 28, 29, 30, just throttle, not pedaling at all. 30, flat ground. 30, my mirror's not wide enough. 30.4, 30.8, we are going down a bit there. 31.7. I'm just gonna pretend I'm pedaling, but I'm not. So, slowing down, this last bit's uphill, so it looks like car coming, got to indicate. Woo. So 31 miles an hour there. Let's pull onto here. Wow. Let's check the GPS. Now that says 29. So that's interesting. Interesting. I felt like I was going faster, but GPS reckons I was going 29. Let's see if we can beat that on the way back by actual pedaling, because like I said before, 8 gears on this one, the ratio is a lot better, it helps. Let's go. So I'm pedaling now. Have I done my pocket up? Yes, I have. Right, uphill a bit. Three, 34. No cars coming. 35. Do you want to see 36? Come on. 36. Woo. That'll do. Well, it's like a HIIT exercise workout. $34 miles an hour with pedaling. So I'm going to head out. Right, I'm gonna have a rest now. But yeah, that was the VRC, and that was a flat ground speed test. Engwe EP-2 Pro versus Engwe Engine Pro. Oh, I've got to wait here. I wasn't expecting that. Next test, I am going to do some uphill tests. A few people have asked for that. So we're going to see how the Engine Pro fares up the hill, because there's some reports that the Engine Pro has somehow got lower torque than the EP-2 Pro, so that should affect you up the hill. To me, the Engine Pro seems a lot faster. I get the impression that maybe the Engine Pro is 750 peaking at 1000, whereas the EP-2 Pro is 500 peaking at 750. But we'll see. They're both great bikes. If you do want to get one, there are links below. There's a few weird issues with this one. At some point I'm going to do a review of it. Engwe, if you are listening, I'd love to test that prototype bike you've got. I'd love to do a few videos on that for you. And at some point I'll do a proper review of this one. There's already a review of the EP-2 Pro, click on the little bubble that's popping up, or there'll be a box at the end of the video. Until then, thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what your thoughts are and what you like and what you ride and what you'd like to see. Until next time, ride safe.